Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Will County in northeastern Illinois, northeastern Kansas County, and northeastern Illinois, Lake County, and northwestern Indiana until 7:30 p.m. and 6:50 p.m. Severe thunderstorms were located along the line of 70 moment, releasing 40 miles per hour. 70 miles per hour. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Hammond, Gary, Oak Lawn, Calumet City, Portage, Merrillville, Chicago Heights, Roseland, East Chicago, Schererville, Hobart, Lansing, Oak Forest, Crown Point, Harvey, Highland, Blue Island, Munster, Jolton, and Park Forest. This includes Indiana University Northwest, Purdue University Northwest Hammond, Windy City Thunderbolts Baseball, Governor State University, Ileana Motor Speedway, Lake County Fairgrounds, Prairie State College, South Shore Railcat Baseball, and South Suburban College. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A severe thunderstorm warning remains in